People think data is expensive, but only because they don't know these 12 hidden Airtel and Glo data code. In this video, I will share with you 12 codes to get data at a very cheap price from Airtel and Glo, and this will help to save you cost in the purchase of data. If you're also using other network, I've also done similar video to get data at a very cheap price from other network like MTN and 9 Mobile. I'm going to attach this other video to the description of this video. After you finish watching this video, you can check the description of this video to get access to this other video. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods that I can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notification. So let's dive into the video. So we are going to be starting with Airtel, and I'm going to be sharing with you code to get data at the very cheap price from Airtel. The number one code to get cheap data from Airtel is *312 *5# *312 *5#. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. With 750, you can get 3 GB plus 1 GB for YouTube Night plus 200 MB for YouTube, Instagram and TikTok, and this data will be valid for 2 days. So with 750 you can get 4.2 GB of data. So this is a very good option to get cheap data from Airtel. The number 2 code to get cheap data from Airtel is *312 *561# *312 *561#. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. This code is my area offer, and you have 4 options that's available that you can use to get cheap data with this code. The first option with 100 naira can get 500 MB to be valid for 1 day. If you are going for this option, you can get 1 GB of data for just 200 naira. The second option with 200 naira can get 1.25 GB of data to be valid for 7 days. The third option with 300 naira can get 2 GB of data to be valid for 7 days. If you are going for this option, 1 GB of data is just 150. So this is one of my favorite options that I mostly use to do my data subscription from Airtel. The fourth option with 500 naira can get 3.2 GB of data to be valid for 30 days. So you can use any of these options to do your data subscription from Airtel. The number 3 code to get data at the very cheap price from Airtel is *312 *1 *1 *5# *312 *1 *5#. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. So this option is midnight options. So if you normally do a lot of work in the night, you can use this option to do your data subscription that you can use for your night browsing. With 15 I can get 250 MB, which means with 100 I can get 500 MB. I can make use of this plan from 12 AM to 5 AM in the night. So you can use this option to do your midnight data subscription from Airtel. The number 4 code to get data at the very cheap price from Airtel is *312 *7# *312 *7#. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. With 600 I can get 2 GB plus 1 GB for YouTube Night plus 200 MB for YouTube, Instagram and TikTok, and it will be valid for 2 days. With 600 I can get 3.2 GB of data. So this is another good option to do your data subscription from Airtel. The number 5 code to get it at the very cheap price from Airtel is *312 *1 *8# *312 *1 *8#. So let's dial it and see what this code can give to us. You have 2 options that's available if you are using this code. The first option with 4000 can get 15 GB of data. The second option with 7500 I can get 40 GB of data. So I mostly go for the second option. If you are going for this option, you dial number 2. So this data plan is called Always plan. For the 40 GB of data, they are not going to give you the 40 GB of data at once. So they are going to be spreading the data plan for the whole of the 30 days. Every day they are going to give you 1.3 GB of data, then they are going to spread the whole of the 40 GB for the 40 days. So if you want to do a data that will last you for the whole of the month, you can use this option to do your data subscription from Airtel. The number 6 code to get data at a very cheap price from Airtel is *312 *1 *6 hash *312 *1 *6 hash. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. We have 3 options available with this code. The first option with 50,000 can get 300 GB of data to be valid for 90 days, that is 3 months. And the second option with 60,000 can get 350 GB of data to be valid for 120 days, that is 4 months. Then the last option with 100,000 can get 685 GB of data to be valid for 365 days, that is 1 year. So if you want to do a data that will last you for a longer period of time, for 3 months, 4 months and 1 year, you can use this code to do your data subscription from Airtel. Next, I'm going to be sharing with you code to get it at the very cheaper from Glo. The number 1 code to get it at the very cheaper from Glo is *777 *1 *2 *2 hash *777 *1 *2 hash. So let's dial it and see what this code can give to us. You have 4 options that's available with this code. The first option with 1,000 can get 2.6 GB of data to be valid for 30 days, including 1.5 GB of data for night browsing. That means with 1,000 can get 4.1 GB of data. The second option with 1.5 can get 5 GB of data to be valid for 30 days, including 3 GB of data for night browsing. The third option with 2,000 can get 6.15 GB of data to be valid for 30 days, including 3 GB of data for night browsing. Then the last option with 2,500 can get 7.25 GB of data to be valid for 30 days, including 3 GB of data for night browsing. So you can use any of this option to do your data subscription from Glo. The number 2 code to get it at the very cheaper from Glo is *777 *1 *2 *5 *3 hash *777 *1 *2 *5 *3 hash. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. This data plan is mostly for hourly data plan, so if you want to do something that will last for 1 hour, 2 hours, you can use this code to do your data subscription. The first option with 200 can get 500 MB to be valid for 1 hour. The second option with 300 can get 1 GB of data to be valid for 2 hours. The number 3 code to get it at the very cheaper from Glo is *777 *1 *1 *2 *7 hash *777 *1 *1 *2 *7 hash. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. You have 4 options that's available with this code, and they are divided into 2 sections. We have the midnight plan and the weekend plan. For the midnight plan, the first option with 16 can get 350 MB. The second option with 120 can get 750 MB to be valid for 1 day. So these 2 options, you can make use of this plan from 12 AM to 5 AM. Now for the weekend plan, the first option with 200 can get 875 MB to be valid for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. The next option with 500 can get 2.5 GB of data to be valid for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. So you can use any of this option to do your midnight plan and also your weekend plan. The number 4 code to get it at the very cheaper from Glo is *777 *1 *1 *2 *5 *1 hash *777 *1 *1 *2 *5 *1 hash. So let's dial it and see what this code can give to us. There are 4 options that's available with this code. The first option with 350 can get 1 GB of data to be valid for 1 day. The second option with 500 naira can get 2 GB of data to be valid for 1 day, including 1 GB of data for night browsing. The third option with 600 can get 3.55 GB of data to be valid for 2 days, including 2 GB of data for night browsing. If you are going for this option, 1 GB of data is less than 200 naira. The fourth option with 1000 I can get 5.1 gigabyte of data. It will be valid for 2 days, including 2 gigabyte of data for night browsing. If you're also going for this option, 1 gigabyte of data is also less than 200 naira. So you can use any of this option to do your data subscription from Glo. Number 5 code to get it at a very cheap price from Glo is star 777 star 1 star 2 star 5 star 4 hash star 777 star 1 star 2 star 5 star 4 hash. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. We have 3 options that's available with this code. The first option, with 1000 I can get 4 gigabyte of data. It will be valid for 30 days. The second option, with 5000 I can get 30 gigabyte of data. It will be valid for 30 days. If you are going for this option, 1 gigabyte of data is less than 200 naira. The last option, with 10,000 I can get 75 gigabyte of data. It will be valid for 30 days. If you are also going for this option, 1 gigabyte of data is also less than 200 naira. So you can use any of this option to do your 30 days subscription from Glo. The number 6 code to get it at the very cheap price from Glo is star 777 star 1 star 2 star 4 hash star 777 star 1 star 2 star 4 hash. So let's delete and see what you can get with this code. You have 7 options that's available with this code. The first option, with 25,000 I can get 135 gigabyte of data. To be valid for 30 days. The second option, with 30,000 I can get 165 gigabyte of data. To be valid for 30 days. The third option, with 40,000 I can get 220 gigabyte of data. To be valid for 30 days also. The fourth option, with 50,000 I can get 310 gigabyte of data. To be valid for 60 days, that is 2 months. The fifth option, with 60,000 I can get 355 gigabyte of data. To be valid for 90 days. The sixth option, with 75,000 I can get 475 gigabyte of data. To be valid for 90 days also. Then the last option, with 150,000 I can get 1000 gigabyte of data. That is 1 terabyte, and to be valid for 1 year. So if you want to do a data that will last you for a longer period of time, you can use any of these options to do your data subscription from Glo. So there you have it. These are the 12 codes that can use to get data at a very cheap price from Airtel and Glo, and this will help you to save you cost in the purchase of data. If you got value from this video, do well to like this video and so drop a comment in the comment section. If you're here to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notification. If you want to get access to other videos that can use to get data from other networks, you can watch the video that is showing on your screen, or you can check the description of this video. So I'll see you in my next video.